Guys, quick update about the laptop motherboard. I did replace the capacitor, as you can see, but it still does nothing, or it does almost the same thing it was doing before. It will not turn on, or it will turn off immediately. So I think there is other bad parts on the circuit board. I will not bother trying replacing all the caps. So I wanted also to read the drive content, but no luck, it is not doing anything. It is turning, but I do not hear the heads moving, and Windows does not detect anything. So I think it is dead also. Well, I will put it all these two back together and keep the laptop as a museum piece. It is all what I can do with it. At least I will be able to use my videos to help for the reassembly process, as it is pretty tedious. Thanks for watching, bye bye.